Hi there, Jordan here with Chevrolet of Everett, your Pacific Northwest electric vehicle specialist, and I've got some really exciting Bolt news for you. If you were worried about missing out on that $6,300 savings on the EUV or the $5,900 savings on the EV for 2022 year models, don't worry, those incentives have been extended through the end of the year. So if you're waiting on a factory order or one of these here to get their recall completed, you still get to take advantage of those savings. I also wanted to remind you about Chevrolet's complimentary installation of a 240 volt charger through youre. If you have any questions on that, feel free to give me a call here at 425-265-8000. As in regards to the 2023s, we have started taking preliminary orders, and those will start production at the end of July, looking at a delivery date probably around November or December. So if you're interested in getting your order in early, feel free to reach out. As always, we're happy to help here at Chevrolet of Everett. Again, I'm Jordan, your Pacific Northwest electric vehicle specialist.